Hi there, I'm Peg, and welcome to my studio. Hello, my friends. Today I thought I'd take you down another path. I had ordered some foam. This is like fun foam from Amazon, and it's a 6 mil, so it's a little bit thicker than the regular craft foam. So I thought I was going to be able to do some different things with it, but I'm finding that mostly I can cut it with scissors, and that's fine because, I want my foam to be a little bit thicker just so that it doesn't compress. Like I want to be able to use this on my gel press and a number of different applications. So I'm just making stamps. What I'm doing is cutting out shapes, gluing them down. I'm using super glue to glue the layers together and creating images. Now I'm going to try punches, but I soon find that punches are not going to work for this. Now I am going to try some die cuts. I do have some steel rule dies, and I think I can cut this stuff with steel rule dies, but not in this video. They're downstairs in my other art space, and it's not going to happen today. But, you guys can try those things too. This is a thicker punch, and I thought maybe the thicker punches would work on this stuff, but I think you have to have something more like a 2 mil instead of a 6 to use in punches. So that's fine. I'm good with that. I'll just continue to use my scissors, and see, this is not going to slide in there. I'm giving it my best shot, and there's no way that that is going to go into that punch. Now, I think you could use some handheld punches because they open wider, but certainly not this type of a punch. So I'm getting out my scissors, and I'm just going to cut some shapes and glue them down and see what we can create. So let's speed things up and see what we end up with.